Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and we have some long awaited reviews coming up. It's been over 2 months since I reviewed a locomotive, and there has been many join, and those that I did last time were also delayed. My goal is to catch up with all of the reviews I need to do, and then at least by sort of winter we will be caught up with all the arrivals that will come in sort of over the winter period. So it is late, but it is what it is. So we have the Bachmann J72 to review in NER sort of green, apple green I would probably say. It's probably not, but it looks apple green. But it is very pretty. And we're going to review this today, and yeah, we'll see what it's like. So we will run through the detail first, and as you can see, this is a highly detailed locomotive, being a modern Bachmann loco. This loco was gifted to me by Kelly Ashford, and it is not 100% perfect. There are some areas where the lining has come off. That's just from its previous owner, not really anything to do with me. But it's not too bad, it's not too noticeable either. You will see it on the camera because we're close up, you can probably see one realistically now, or quite a few areas, but it's not too bad from a distance. So as you will see, you have sprung buffers at the front. This is a modern super detail loco, so it's to be expected. Got all the lining across the running plate. Got the NER picked out beautifully on the side of the tanks. You've got all the lining as well, the black with the white. Got 2173 on the back, which is the running number. Absolutely loads of separately fitted details. You've got all these lamp brackets as well. They're very sharp as well. You've got all the metal handrails. You've got the water tanks picked out nicely as well. There is some underframe detail as well. You can see straight through. You see my fingers on the other side. Whee! Somewhere. Whee! There you go. Which is really good. Makes it look really realistic. The glazing on the cab is fantastic, with the nice flush on the glazing on the outside. You do have some metal, or look metal, whistles. Might not be, but they do look it. Or safety valves, and then you got the whistle behind, which is separately fitted, which is very nice. You have these, I don't know what these are, absolutely no idea, but they look to be separately fitted. And obviously you got handrails, and you got one is supposed to be shorter than the other. That is correct. Not one hasn't just broken off. That's just genuinely how the loco actually is. Looks fantastic. Got the collar load at the back, looks really nice as well. Absolutely. And it might be removable, actually. No, I don't think it is. Anyway, let's turn the loco around so I can get to the back. So you can see on the other side, there you go. It's not really much different. Stupid phone. And you have the separate fitted handrail at the back, and you have the sprung buffers as well, which is nice. More lamp brackets across the back of the running plate there. You do have the number and class picked out on the rear of the buffer beam, which is an E1, which is the NER classification. It then later became the J72. And obviously you got the splasher as well with all the lining on, which looks fantastic. The axles are picked out, painted into the green, so they don't look too noticeable, which is nice. And the cab is fabulous with the brown floor, which makes it look like it's made of wood, which is very nice. You've got all the gauges and all the sorts of bits and bobs all picked out, which is really nice. Looks fantastic. Have the rear glazing as well, with the black around it, which looks fantastic. So that's pretty cool. And then you just got all the lining across the boiler as well. So you've got the gold at the front, and then you've got the white and the black, which looks really good. So that's pretty cool to see. And the smoke box is nicely picked out as well. You've got the sort of dart on the front, which looks sort of like quite classic. And then you've got the running number and the class and all the lining on the front of the buffer beam there as well, which looks fairly decent. So it's not absolutely everything, but it gives you a decent insight into how detailed this locomotive is. It is very well detailed indeed. and it looks fantastic. So we will now get it onto the track and give it a run. So there it is on the track, and we'll just give it a quick test of its slow speed. I can't get any slower than that because of the controller that I'm using. But that's pretty decent. I'm gonna have to be naughty and use feedback. I mean, that's pretty decent, isn't it? College motors don't like feedback, so I'm not going to use that controller. Never mind. Using on feedback. Some teaks. No idea why that's there. That needs to move back over there. Moving something on the layout. Very sunny today. Unusual. It is lovely though, isn't it? And let's stop it there. Beautiful. So that is the J72, looking absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, we have a lot of reviews to catch up on, so I will try and get them out as quickly as possible and as and when I possibly can. This is the first one of probably about 10, I think, maybe more, that will be coming in the next couple of weeks, etc. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you very soon for some more videos. Goodbye.